Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And why am I backwards? I am upside down. I don't know why I am upside down. I don't know. Let me go figure this out. Let's here. We're gonna make some spinning moves. Okay, we're gonna make spinning moves. Ah, you like my nails? Wasn't that pretty? I think I moved my camera thing the other day, and I don't know what I did. There. I think we're not backwards. And of course, it's gonna mess up in the black thing right now. Of course it does. All right. Howdy hoody, YouTube friends. I'm on today just for a project share and maybe somebody might want to do. Um, I actually found this lady on TikTok, but she is on the YouTube. And she's got a challenge. She actually has a couple challenges going on her. This is on her website. And I'm sorry guys, I cannot do anything about them blackfish. I think I'm gonna have to get me a new. Like I think I'm gonna have to get me a new camera because like it'll stop, it'll go, it'll stop. Like as soon as I get rid of this, it'll go away. See, watch. It does not like tan. It does not like white. I don't know. So we'll just set it like this. Maybe it'll be okay. All right. So and I have the lady sideways because I have so much crap on my desk. So anyways, the accordion tag challenge with Brit creates stuff. Okay. Now, um, she is on YouTube. She is on TikTok. She does have her own website. I think it's called BritCreates.com. I will, if I remember, I'll put it in the description, but I'm pretty sure you could actually find her. It's accordion tag challenge with Brit Creates. The challenge dates are Saturday, March 29th to Saturday, April 12th. So you still have 7 days, 6 days. Well, today's the 4th. I'm gonna upload this today, the 4th. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. About 8 days. Create a beautiful accordion tag folio using the free printable kit. And I did. And it's a good kit. I mean, I was gonna show you, I still have tons of stuff left. And she has other freebies on there as well. I use most of all her freebies on this. Um, this is a 1 week challenge where you can personalize your folio with dressing, embellishment, and your own creative touch. How to participate. Download the accordion tag folio kit from my freebie page, which it's not hard to find once you go to her website. Assemble and decorate your folio within the challenge week, which you got 8 days. And then you post photos or a video of your finished accordion folio and tag at Brits Create Stuff, and I believe that's what it is. .com to get her stuff on social media. Oh my God, social media. Thank you. It says bonus. Me and my design team will pick some of our favorite folios to be featured on the created corner page of my website. This is cool. And then after they pick a couple, I guess, going to be 3 winners. And I'm not quite sure what the winning is, but I think it's a $20 like gift card to her website for her digitals, which I went through her digitals and they are wow. Her design team had just did a farmhouse, and that's pretty much where this come from. Um, and they're gorgeous. Every single person that I've found on TikTok, they do TikTok lives on that. And let me tell you, they're not one single one is any kind of the same. Do some of them have like the same ephemera? Yeah, but it's their own twist on the things, um, type thing. The other one that she has that I want to try to participate and do, but I don't know if I can, it's 7 days. So, I mean, I would have to start today and go. But I have other stuff I have to do. But I did print it out for myself just in case that I decided to do it. She has a tag flip book challenge. If you would prefer to do this, then that, by all means, I'm just letting you know what it is. Um, this is you download the tag flip from her freebies, and they have daily prompts. You post them like everything else. Okay, so daily prompt, which like country charm using warm neutral tones, and incorporate lace, fabric scraps, or stitching for a rustic touch. And then so on, like all down to day 7. A pocket full of memories. Create a small pocket and tuck spots on your tag to hold a note, a tiny tag, or ephemera piece. That's just to give you a thing. There's 7 prompts that you have to do. You can honestly, I think, as long as you do it in 7 days, I don't think she's gonna have a problem. I mean, honestly, if you want to play catch up, I think you can. But again, this is also has to be done by April 12th. Okay? Yeah. And you get that stuff the same place you get this one. So, and it's Brit Creates Stuff. I think it's .com actually. So this is what I did. Like I said, like some of the stickers and stuff like that come from me. I will let you know, like every digital and everything else all come from the kit. I didn't, and if it didn't, I will tell you ahead of time. But here is my accordion, and yeah, it is kind of chunky because I have something like that going on. So I start out with this. I cut off the frame, and this was actually in the frame. I flipped it so then it looked like a window. And then I had the same problem when I did this on TikTok, and I don't know why. This is being a pain in my buttocks. Okay. So it's a little tag, and then you have like little horses. Like I said, that like the stickers mine, these were mine, but and the but like all the paper items itself are from her kit. Flip it up, a side pocket, a little rooster, and she had all these little sayings, so I went ahead and did that, like a pantry type thing. If you ate today, thank a farmer. Have like, and then will this have like little veggies. And this did not come off of this. This is actually a freebie on her website as well, because I used that. Figured it would go good with Farmhouse, right? So, okay, we're accordion this. We flip this up. A tag. All this stuff I went ahead and used. This, like, these are stickers from the Dollar Tree. But, like, the Faith Family, all that is actually off her kit. See, it says Faith Family Farm. It's a way of life. And it's just a tag. Look how cute that is, right? And let me put that back in there. All right, flip it over. We have a belly band, a journaling card, and again, a tag. Some of her kit. These are 3 things. I will just show them and then I will put them back in there. Let's put them over here so that I don't freak out as much. That's freaking out. I don't know why. This one I have where you can get them in if you want. Flip this over. And this is like my pride and joy here. I gotta remember which way I did it. It says close the gate. Now, this is what I'm calling my gate. Okay, but it could be a window. But then I have a waterfall. Look, of all my animals. How cute is that? And you just close it up. And then the next thing I have is Billy Band with 2 journaling cards that came as well. Not for sure if I'm done with this because I think there's something, I don't know. I feel like there's something missing is what I feel. But not quite for sure. Just wind this back up. And this is just my things for my pins. I just thought it was cute. I'm going to make it to where it goes under over, and then I'm going to make it to where it just flips out and it can stay out. It can be out so that it doesn't hurt the folio. I have no idea what I'm going to do this. I think this is cute. I don't think I have anything farmhouse I need right now, but I'm going to keep it. I like it, and what you guys think? Let me know. All right, guys, that is all I have for you. Go check out her website if you'd like to participate. And check her YouTube, which I still have to go do. I see her on TikTok. But for now, that is all I have, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. This is April 4th, so you still have enough time, like I said. Oh, excuse me. Till next time, please stay safe, keep crafting, and bye for now. Let me get you off here.